Hello there, this is Kelvin Auto Insider, and today let's look at how the auto lock feature on the Mazda CX-5 work. Well, this crossover USF is designed to automatically lock the vehicle's doors when certain conditions are met, typically enhancing security and convenience. Here's a general overview of how it works. Key fob proximity. The auto lock system generally relies on the proximity of the key fob. When you exit the vehicle and walk away with the key fob, the system detects that the fob is no longer inside the car. Vehicle movement. Once the vehicle is in motion and the key fob is detected outside, the system may automatically lock the doors. This ensures the vehicle is secured if you forget to lock it manually. Speed threshold. Some models have a speed threshold setting. When the vehicle reaches a certain speed, usually around 12 to 20 miles per hour, the system will lock the doors automatically if it hasn't been manually locked already. Manual settings. The auto lock function can often be customized through the vehicle settings menu, allowing you to enable or disable it according to your preferences.